Hi there, this is Mrs. Piper. We're on to the next section of creating our radial design composition. Now, if you remember, the criteria list gave us chunked instructions. First, we created the slice, and now we're going to be creating our composition. So let's look at the next set of instructions on our criteria list. It says, mark a dot at the top of the triangle. This will be very important later. Trace the design onto the back of the paper with an ebony pencil. Okay, so for this section, we need our instructions, our slice, an eraser, and an ebony pencil. If you don't have access to an ebony pencil, if you're working from home, you can use a number 2 pencil. You just have to press really hard. So I'm going to zoom in, and because you will be tracing this at the sliding glass door, you will be able to hold it up to the window so that the sunlight can act as a light table. But because I don't have that here with me, I am going to use a light table. So I'm going to pull this over. I'm going to lay my slice, and I'm going to turn on the light. It will change the camera, but don't worry. There we go. Now, it said to trace your slice onto the back, so I'm taking my paper and I'm turning it over, and I'm going to trace all of the lines and shapes with an ebony pencil. An ebony pencil is a jet black drawing pencil that gets really dark. It does tend to smear, so your hands might get a little messy during this stage, but that's okay. You want to make sure that you go over all the lines and all of the shapes so that you're tracing it onto the back. I'm going to hit pause while I finish, and I'll be right back.